Discuss LeetCode problem number 57, insert interval. Before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem, insert interval. I think it's better explained with respect of with examples. Like you are given a list of intervals and a new interval. Now you are supposed to merge them into non-overlapping intervals, and the input interval is also non-overlapping. So 1 3 6 9, and then you are given 2 5. So 2 goes in here, so 1 2 3 5 also, because non-overlapping it goes inside here, so it becomes 1 5 and then 6 9. Let us look at another case. Here it is 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 10 12 16, and new interval is 4 18. 4 18 actually 4 and 8, sorry, and 4 goes in here and 8 goes in here, so it all three has to merge in order to make them as non-overlapping. So it becomes 1 2 3 10 and 12 16. So that's the problem description. So now let's take a look at the solution. I call this as past, present and future sort of thing, like splitting anything into three sections basically. Like you can also call it as before, now and after kind of scenario. So let us take a look. You need to provide the new vector for intervals, vector of vectors, and you go through the input intervals. The size is intervals.size, which is also a vector of vectors, the intervals. So now you need to do the past or before. The thing is, until the intervals 1 is less than new intervals 0, so it's pair, right? So it is a pair. So as long as it is less, you need to push back. So I'll show you with that with an example. In the second example, we saw the 1 2 fits this bill, so it goes in here. So when as long as there are merging thing, so you, while I is less than n and intervals I0 is less than new interval 1, as long as like until 10 in that second example, you need to get the new interval 0 as min of new interval 0 or intervals I comma 0. You take the minimum of those two, and then new interval 1 is the max of those two. So new interval 1, again we'll see this with an example, and then you push back the new interval, and then these are the end intervals, like the future kind of thing. Here you did exact same thing, you just keep on pushing. These are non-overlapping before and non-overlapping after, so they don't need any merging, so it's straight copy. So let us take a look at the example. This one we are talking about 1 2 3 5. So 1 2, as I said, it fits this bill. 1 2 gets copied as part of this while loop. Now because intervals I0 I0 is 3 is less than, let us see, I think intervals I1, actually why it comes out of while loop, I1 is 3 5 and new interval 0 is 4, so that's why it comes out and goes into this loop. And for the first one, 3 5 and 4 8, so you take the minimum of new interval 0 is 4 and intervals I comma 0 is 3, so the 3 sticks here, this one stays as 3, and then new interval 0, and then the new interval 1s is max of new interval 1, which is new interval 1 is 8, and I comma 1 in this case is 5, so it stays as 8. So it becomes like this, merging 3 5 becomes new interval 4 with 4 new interval 4 8, and then it becomes 3 8 as we calculated here, and then it becomes 3 8, and then because of after the 10, 8 and 10 compete, and then 10 wins, and then the interval becomes 3 10. So it becomes 1 2 3 10 and 12 16. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.